Hi, this is Sarah Fires and you're watching Sarah's Tips. Today I'm going to share an appam recipe in which the batter will be ready in just 3 hours. First we need to wash the rice and then soak the rice for 2 to 3 hours. I'm using basmati rice and I soak it only for 2 hours. Here is the other ingredients used in the batter. 1/4 cup of cooked rice, 1/2 cup of grated coconut, 1 tablespoon of yeast and some salt and sugar. For getting the batter fermented very quickly, I'm using Fleischmann's rubberized yeast. We need to grind the ingredients by adding some water, and then the batter should be thin and running like this. Once the batter is ready, keep it in a warm place by covering. Exactly after 3 hours, this is how the batter looks. Here I'm using a non-stick appam pan, and for non-stick no need to grease it. After pouring the batter, we need to tilt and turn the pan like this. If you don't have a appam pan, you can use any regular tawa. Here I'm using a flat skillet. For cooking the appam, we need to cover it with a lid for around 1 minute, and we don't flip the appam. Thank you for watching this recipe, and if you like this or if you try this, please let me know in the comments.